All right, 23-24, Upper Deck. NHL Series 2, good luck. Let's do the random. Hard 4 on the dice. Mix up the teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. It's the Pop Channel on a Friday. On a Friday. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I didn't even see to look where the Blackhawks are. They are in the 4 spot, which is going to be Baker hunting for Bedard. Baker Hunter is going to go Bedard hunting. Bum, bum, bum.
They had a gritty canvas.
No way.
So now I'm curious to know if there's a chance canvas.
The gritty card is cool.
Yeah, I took a picture of it.
Why can't you just ask him? You could just ask Chance.
I'd rather hit one first.
That'd be more fun, right?
Yeah. If I know it's there, it's a lot less exciting.
Yeah, that's true.
Hi, Dave.
The gritty was exciting. When I hit it, I was like, no way, I have to get Derek this card.
Yeah, I got excited about it. And then I asked if I could buy it. And I said I'd pay a lot more than it was worth because it's worth like $5. And I got no response.
Hello, Sharpletic.
Hi.
You need these or no?
Nope.
Let's go hunting for the Bedard. Upper Dizzy. Ooh, camera. Hello, camera. It's going up on a Tuesday. What about Fridays? Does it go up on a Friday? Singing the song. It's going up on a Tuesday, right? Doesn't they say that? It's going up on a Tuesday.
Quite literally, I have no idea what song you're talking about.
I just sang it for you twice.
Heard it.
I don't know the name of the song, but that's what they say in the song. I think they say it's going up on a Tuesday. But today's Friday, right? So I'm asking if it goes up on a Friday also. They know what I'm talking about. It's provocative. Have you ever seen that movie? It's provocative.
No.
That's not the name of the movie,
It was the
though.
song by Britney Spears.
It's
It's not even her song.
It's a scene. It's a scene from the movie. I think it's called Blades of Glory with Will Ferrell, and the guy that played. Maybe I don't know. If it was
Hi, King.
the Napoleon Dynamite kid. Maybe he's working out on the machine, and he's singing "My hump, my lovely lady hump,"
Yeah.
and he's
I'm
like,
trying
"What
to
does that
figure out
mean?"
why my shirt is
He's like,
sparkling.
"No one knows what it means. It's provocative." Or is it the milkshake song?
I know that song.
He might sing both. I can't remember. Cat's texting me. I wonder if I've got the song. Maybe he knows the song. Ha. That's funny. And I don't think anybody noticed that Kat put those cards in the chat.
Except for me and you.
Yeah.
I think Erica responded.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounded like one of those.
I was like, oh no.
Where's the mouse? There it is. That.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.
All right, ready? Okay. Yes, correct. Correct.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Yeah. What is it gonna be?
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks good.
Description. Left
Yeah.
side serial.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, it's in.
Okay. Cool.
The draft is there too.
Awesome.
It's
The draft.
2023.
Wait, what draft?
Well, no, if you add another one, number two's in the.
Oh,
in the,
sorry. I
Number
thought you
two's
meant
in
like
the
the
draft.
hit. I was like, no hit draft. We Jared and I were talking hit draft versus cereal. We decided on cereal.
Yeah. Hit draft would be what, 1,200 a spot?
Yeah, it'd be twice as
Guaranteed
much.
card?
Yeah. Who do you think he comes up? Who do you think he looks like? I think he kind of looks like one of those. There's an actor from that movie, the Neighbors movie. Pretty famous kid. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. It's time for an episode of the series 2. McLovin? I don't see it. I don't see it, Trav. All right, good luck, everybody. Those are your teams. It's all printed out. Stutzel there. A blue fluorescent. I think that's pretty rare, actually. All the other ones I hit are red. That's probably rare. All I want to do is zoom. Hold on. Let's zoom. There we go. I think that's kind of rare. I'm not sure, though. But we're going to sleeve that bad boy. There's Ty for the Kraken. As we get Kraken here on Friday. Askarov on the profile. There's my boy Igor. Shesterkin. Minton for the Leafs. That's cool. I love these cards. The Glarings. We get like a couple of these in a case, maybe. McKinnon glaring right into our eyes. Colorado. Arkers. There's McKinnon again. He was in front of himself. Weird. Spooky. Happy Friday, everybody. Oh, a pink Dazzler of Brady Kachuk. These are nice. A pink Dazzler for the Sens. Who's got Ottawa? A WJ. There's Wells. Kesserling for Arizona. Young gun. He's youngin' and gunnin'. Zegras. He's sweet. Oh, Bedard. Hold on. Whoa. Connor. Whoa. Buddy. You think we're going to slide right by you? I didn't know you had a portrait card in this product, Connor. I didn't know Connor had a portrait card. This is a new hit for us. I didn't hit this yet. He does look like he's in... What is it? What is that movie with Brad Pitt as a vampire? Interview with a Vampire? He looks like that movie. Or he kind of looks like? What is it? Ethan Hawke? Who was it? Who was the bad guy in Shade? It wasn't Ethan Hawke, was it? Who was the bad guy? I forget the actor's name. He looks like the bad guy in Shade. The first, or Blade, excuse me. Blade. Yeah, whatever the guy's name is. What was the bad guy's name in the first Blade movie? Blade. Yeah, sorry, I was saying Shade. I meant Blade. Ooh, a Bedard. A Bedard dual young gun. Yes, Dorf, yes. This will have to get randomed. I'll do that in a moment. Mayor Lanin. All right, so I'll just do that real quick. 0 to 100 real quick. 2 Bedards. Neither of them the young gun, but not exactly what we're looking for, but any Bedard is a good Bedard. He kind of looks like that guy more than he looks like the other guy to me. You think Mickey could take down Bedard? I hear that. 1 second. Left, left, right, left. Are the dice random? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Right wins it. Let me write down that the right wins the random. What's up?
I'm just gonna watch a little more.
Yeah, watch.
Get your end of that.
Come hither.
And then I realized that I didn't get my nails done because I wasn't supposed to go on until Monday, and now I'm going on, and they look really bad.
Oh my god, you'll be fine. Your nails will be fine. Your nails look fine. Stop it. Oh, they look pretty bad, actually. Wow. I never say
I've
that.
been picking at them.
I'm sorry.
This hand
That's-
looks fine, but I can't break.
I'm sorry.
my
I
hand.
said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How funny is that? This hand looks
Oh,
brand new.
sorry. Dun-dun-dun-dun. That hand looks good. Which hand is going to be shown in the video?
Both.
Both? Well, then you're screwed. Disney on Ice. That's a thing, wasn't it, Nick? Can you hand me more 35s, regular standos? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Leo Carlson and the Ducks. Baker Hunter. Oh my God! Why did you guys tell me? You didn't tell me. You guys just made me waste that time. I just ran a random, and the guys got both teams.
Yeah, but isn't that for all left rights?
There's only like one. I think that's the only one. Why didn't they tell me?
There's a Connor Bedard left right.
That's the
There's
card I just
Carlson.
randomed.
Oh.
The Leo Carlson, Connor Bedard. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. All right, we continue. Good luck. Let's find more Connor. Let's go Connor hunting. There's Potra. He's good. He's actually like probably in the top 5, maybe top 3. Carlson for the Caps. That is Liam. Oh, I don't know who you are, Brian. Connor. There's Alex Laferrer. Alex Laferrer. Oh, a red fluorescence of Luke Phillip. There's Panarin looking like he's in the Three Musketeers, literally. Tell me Panarin is not in the Three Musketeers here. What the hell is going on? Panarin is in the Three Musketeers. What is going on? Ovi. Delgazo. Young gun on the canvas. Of Zach Benson, who's good. He's good. We like ZB. Double. That's actually really nice. Wow. Luno on the young gun, and then we have the outburst young gun of Hunter Shepard for the Caps. Nice hit for unknown. I'm not even kidding you, just yesterday, Sarah and I were randomly talking about Series 2, because she ripped a little bit and I ripped a little bit, and she was like, if I PC'd anybody, it'd be Hunter Shepard. And then boom, here we are hitting Hunter Shepard's finest. Happy trade deadline. Why is this song stuck in my freaking head? F1 Dynasty is indeed in the store. 2023 F1 Dynasty is in the store. And for what it's worth, I'm not going to correct Backer because he's really busy the last few days, but he's way cheap on it. I asked him for the price. He gave me the price. He's way cheap on it. I looked it up. He's way cheap on it. We're cheap on the Dynasty. So if you want to enjoy some F1 Dynasty, I'm telling you right now, we're cheap on it. Enjoy. Let's go F1 Dynasty hunting. We don't have that many cases, but I'll do. I think we have 4. Sarah just took 1. Teasdale. I think we got 4 cases we can do, but I'm telling you, we're cheap on it. We are getting the Marvel Kakao. I'm waiting for it. The F1 Topps Chrome is probably going to come back in stock first. There's Giroux. For the Wild. It's getting wild. Jack Hughes on the Eclectic Beauty canvas. Dun dun dun. Show us some Bedard. Give us the Bedards. Heyman Atgill on the Young Gun for the Caps. A purple Deep Roots of Crosby. That's a shorter print. That's cool. I like the purple ones of these. They look cool. Pittsburgh MK80. LaFerrere for the Los Angeles Kings. Igor. Kopitar. Nugent Hops. The Hopkins. Panarin. Hunter Shepard again on the Young Gun, but that time the base Young Gun. Another Young Gun on the back of my hand. It's gonna be Ilya Solovyov. Solovyov. Ilya Solovyov. What a name. Ilya Solovyov. One Piece, I don't know. One Piece, I haven't asked about yet. Magic will never happen, Zilla, because we don't make any money on the Magic. The margins are too small. There's just no money in the Magic. I would die happy if we could rip Magic on this channel. Like, I'd be a happy man. A very happy man. Magic is like, out of all these games, that's like my game. But, we probably can't do Magic. It's just too cheap. It sucks. If you're ever in Vegas, though, I'll do a draft with you. I have one of those draft boxes in my car, and the sleeves and dice at all times. I don't have any mats, but I have everything else in the car. When anybody wants to draft some Magic, I'm always down. Instinctive on the Linus. Tompkins, another goalie. Cirelli for the Lightning. In front of his teammate, Braden Point. Pythia, UD canvas of Ekbold. Another red fluorescence for the Flames. Pelletier, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Pelletier. Dazzler, a blue Dazzler. It's Connor McDavid. Sidney Crosby. Manjukov. Lacombe for the Ducks on the Young and Gunnan. I see an Outburst peeking through. Ooh, it's going to be... Wow, it's another one? No, it's another Capital, but... Ludwig for the Penguins on the Young Gun, and then another Outburst Young Gun. It's Heyman Atgill for the Caps. So the Caps have gotten 2 Outburst Young Guns. There's Zach Benson for the Sabres. That's nice. That's a good Young Gun. We'll take that one. We take it. We take. Carlson. That's sweet. Lafreniere for the Rangers to 250. The light, is it the light blue? I'm not sure what they call this color, but it looks like a light blue to me. Kind of a color match. The deluxe for the Rangers. Birdie gets Laffy to 250. Gunetti. Ryan Shea for the Penguins. Young and gunning. Black and white UD canvas. Vanacek. Is it Vanacek? Is that how you pronounce it? Vanesic? Vanacek? For the Devils. Those are rare. The black and white UD canvases. What's going on? What's up, Chris? We had the WWE is pretty close. We're gonna be. I'm not gonna deny we're gonna be a little busy with hockey tonight, most likely. But if we ever have a breather in between that and the Disney, the WWE is undoubtedly close. As is the NASCAR racing, and we also. I don't know if you like it, Chris, but we also have F1 Dynasty, the brand new release day today in the store. We just added it, and I believe we're pretty underpriced on it, but I'm pretty sure we're underpriced on it. What's going on? The hockey is sick, Chris. You get in the next random. Get in the second half, get in the first half of the next case. Number 7, I'm not sure if it has any spots left. It probably does. But it'll after if it's not full, I'd be surprised. This is the second half of the previous case. Put this over here. Put that right there. Put that right there. Put that right there. Bum, bum, bum. Andre. For the Flyers, young gun. Another red fluorescence. Wow. For the Blues, it's going to be McGing. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right, but there he is again. Weird. Hugh McGing. Ooh, Program of Excellence. How do we pronounce this? Pelletier? 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 What's going on? Stevenson, Clay. Ooh, another canvas young gun. It's another guy. I probably can't pronounce his name correctly. We're going to try, though. Desnoyer. Lavoie. Wyatt Johnson. Wyatt. Hushing now on the outburst for Dallas. Then Suzuki. Looks like he's playing golf in this picture. Is it just me, or is he playing golf in this picture? I'm really confused. Is he on a golf course? What is going on right now? Weird. Certif for the Panthers. Korchinski, the wrong Blackhawk. Zary, and then Nico Hershier on the outbursts for the Devils. We're getting a lot of outbursts here in the second half of the case. Carroll on the Sparkle Instinctive, Blue Sparkle Instinctive. Billy Sweezy for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Another fluorescence. That's crazy. Evangelista. We're getting so many more fluorescence in this case than maybe in this half case than we have in all the other cases combined. No, Brink. It's almost full. It's a few movies away. Clear of Ilya Mikheyev for the Canucks. Damon Hunt. UD Canvas Young of McGing again. Oh, look at this. We got a gold here. Gold Sparkle. Oh, nice. That's sick. This is numbered to 153. It's Connor McDavid's monster season. Beautiful for the Oilers. The Oilers are a really good team to get in this because they have the chance of a good monster season insert. I mean, they're a good team to get, period. But Morning Line gets himself a gold. Sparkle monster season, 11 of 153. Second number hit of this half case. Kandada on the Young Gun. Young and Gunnin. Beecher. Oh, Cale Makar on the Pop Count 500 clear for Colorado. Arkers, that's a really cool hit. Solovyev on the Young Gun. Two more handfuls here, and then I'll sleeve a whole bunch of cards. You guys can go to the bathroom and get a drink, and we'll show a recap and do the next break. There's Balinskis, another Panther Young Gun. All right, let's bring it home here. Last handful mojo. Come on now. Nasco for the Blue Jackets. And that is the half case. It's all about Bedard, Brink. Oh yeah, the random movies of Disney have stalled surprisingly because our price is pretty good on those, but yeah, the randoms have stalled. The pick your movies are still going. It's not even that they've stalled, Brink. It's more like we've just been busy doing the F1 Topps Chrome. We did like 40 cases of Topps Chrome F1, and then we did the WWE, and now we're doing Series 2. So it's not really like that Disney has stalled. He plays for the Chicago Blackhawks, and they're so beyond more desirable than every other team in the. This is like he's like the LeBron of hockey. He's just like a quote unquote sure thing, stone lock to be really amazing. And the Blackhawks are worth the moon and the stars, so the only way to do this is to either random the Blackhawks to the break or to just do a random team breaks. So we've been doing the random teams. The PYTs, we just refunded those because we sold the Blackhawks, so they were never going to go. No, I know, Brink. Well, hockey's gonna get combined with soccer on their own channel moving forward. It's just for now. Once Black Diamond comes out, hockey gets its own channel. We gotta get more top picks. All right, here's the recap. Also had a couple outbursts, Young Guns, Harmon, Atco, and Shepard. Then we had the other stuff. Pop count 500 of Makar for the Avalanche. To 153, it's the monster season of McDavid for Edmonton, and then Lafreniere to 250 for the Rangers. There's also a couple Bedards here, the UD portrait of Bedard and the dual checklist card of Bedard and Leo Carlson. They'll both go to Baker Hunter. That was 6 boxes of NHL Upper Deck. It says Series 2. Series 2. So I have to change. Yeah. Why did I write that? Series 2. 23-24 Upper Deck Series 2. 6 boxes, random team number 6. Thank you for joining. That was the break.